I am David Newman, and I have the honor of welcoming you as principal of Brooklyn Technical High School, which has a 98-year legacy of unrivaled and heralded excellence. Brooklyn Technical High School is the largest high school in the United States, with 6,000 students. We have been a gold medal high school in U.S. News & World Report since the publication began ranking high schools. This year, Brooklyn Tech has been ranked 47th high school in the nation. Some reasons to come to Tech: award-winning faculty and programs. Tech has the largest College Board AP program in the world. Last year, seniors obtained over $150 million in college scholarships. We have the strongest alumni network of any public high school in the United States, 50,000 strong. We have college credit courses beginning in the 9th grade with design and drafting for production and pre-AP World History. We have in-depth exploration of college and career pathways by declaring a major, something that puts Tech apart from all the other specialized high schools. We even have a robust arts program. There is advisory classes for all 9th grade students to assist their transition to Tech and to give social-emotional learning components to supplement our rigorous course offerings. Guidance counselors stay with students for all 4 years in high school. Coordinators of student activities for each grade level, which also stays with students for all 4 years. As you can see, there's something for everyone here at Tech. Hope to see you in the fall. Be well.
Hi everyone, my name is Rita and I am a senior in the Law and Society major. There are many things that set Tech apart from other schools, but one of the more notable things is the fact that we are the largest public high school in the country. We have around 6,000 students, 313 amazing faculty members, and 19 majors. You'll find that there are many benefits to attending a large school like Brooklyn Tech. For example, you are guaranteed to meet new people every year and you'll never run out of resources to turn to when you need them.
Hi everyone, my name is Cecilia and I'm a senior in the physics major. One of the great things about Tech is its location. With so many different ways to get there, not only is my commute easy for those early mornings, but is it easy to get around the city after school for different extracurriculars or activities. To learn more about how to get to Tech, visit our transportation video.
Hi everyone, my name is Joanna and I'm currently a senior in the architecture major at Brooklyn Tech. One of the things that truly makes Tech unique is the fact that we offer a major system where students can choose to pursue and learn something that's out of the ordinary classes, something that's different that they're truly interested in their junior and senior year of high school. I can tell you that being in the architecture major has personally changed my entire Tech experience. If you would like to learn more about majors at Tech, please visit our academics video located on our Brooklyn Tech website.
Hi everyone, my name is Dora Chen and I'm a junior in the finance major. And one of my favorite things about Tech is the amount of languages that you can learn. Tech offers 5 languages: Chinese, Spanish, French, Italian, and German. In each of these classes, you learn not only the language, but the culture. To learn more about each specific language class, be sure to check out our Languages Other Than English video, or more commonly referred to as the Rotate video.
Hi everyone, my name is Matt V and I'm a senior in the civil engineering major. During my time at Tech, I've had the opportunity to take amazing electives such as math team and student leadership. Besides majors, Tech allows you to take various research, academic, and even music electives. If you want to find out more about our electives, check out the elective video.
Hi, I'm Nathaniel, and I'm a junior in the National Honor Society and a writer for the school newspaper. A highlight of Brooklyn Tech for me is the sheer variety of clubs we have to offer. It's 183 in total. So from the Bob Ross Club to the Nintendo Switch Club to the Astronomy Club, there's really so much opportunity to choose from. And if you'd like to learn more about the clubs at Brooklyn Tech, come visit our clubs video on the Brooklyn Tech website.
Hi, my name is Kieran and I'm a senior in the finance major. Of course, Brooklyn Tech is known for its amazing academics, but athletics are a hidden gem of the school. Within the student body, we have hundreds of amazing athletes and many great sports teams, all of which are always at the top of their game. Whether it's a tense soccer game in the cold of winter or the buzz of a raucous basketball game in the gym, athletics are a huge part of Brooklyn Tech. If you'd like to learn more about the sports we have to offer, please watch our clubs and activities video.
Hey there, I'm Roberto Quesada. I'm the class of 2023 president, a nationally ranked debater, and a member of ASPIDA, our school's Latinx organization. Let's talk about diversity for a few moments. Brooklyn Tech has a minority enrollment of 77% and the highest number of Black and Latinx students of the 8 SHSAT schools. In addition, we have multiple clubs geared towards creating spaces and communities for Black and Latinx students, including the Black Student Union and Aspera, respectively. There's also numerous paths for both Black and Latinx students to thrive socially and competitively, with students ranking regionally and nationally in activities such as public forum, policy debate, on our STEP teams, Lady Dragons and Organized Chaos, and in sports such as track and fencing. Our school also offers opportunities for students to learn about their cultures, with events such as the Culture Fair, social equity town halls, and classes such as AP Spanish Literature, where students study Latinx authors and writers. No matter who you are, Brooklyn Tech has a space for you.
Hi, my name is Kirsten and I'm a senior in the Law and Society major. I'm here to talk to you guys about leadership in Brooklyn Tech. So, why is having leadership skills so important? Well, for one, it helps build your confidence in pursuing goals, and it makes working in collaboration with others way easier. Here at Tech, we offer a variety of opportunities which help lay those foundational skills in leadership, from participating in student government or National Honor Society, or joining one of the hundreds of clubs we offer here at Tech. We also have a special class called Student Leadership, which helps our students work on their leadership skills. If you'd like to find out more information about leadership opportunities here in Tech, check out our Club and Activities video or our Academics video. Bye!
Hi everyone, my name is Dave Purohit. I'm in the Law and Society major, and I'm the student body president. We hope these videos help you learn more about what makes the Brooklyn Tech experience so special. From clubs and sports to majors and classes, Brooklyn Tech really does have it all. I know firsthand that high school can sound intimidating. From the application process to actually going there, it could all seem overwhelming. But just remember, you're not alone. With such a diverse student body in large school, you're bound to find a group of friends with your interests and classes that match your passions, whether those are STEM, humanities, or anything in between. With that being said, I hope to see you here soon as part of the Brooklyn Tech class of 2025.